Welcome back to our Power BI Basics tutorial series. Today we're going to be exploring the Power BI UI and some of its basic components. So first, let's open up Microsoft Power BI, and then let's click Blank Report, which will load a report with no data. What Power BI is going to open up to is its standard interface. Up top, we have the Home ribbon. In the Home ribbon, you can both get and transform data. Some of the data that you can bring into the report are Excel workbooks, data from a database like a SQL server, data from text or CSV files, or data from the web. On the left-hand side, we'll be able to switch in between our various core views we have in Power BI Desktop. Right now, we're on the Report view. This is your main workspace where you create and design your report. You can add visuals, text boxes, and images to make the report more visually informative and appealing. The next one down is the table view. In the table, you can see your data in a tabular format. Right now, we don't have any data loaded into this Power BI file, so there's nothing visible. But what this view does allow you to do is inspect and clean your data to make sure that it's ready for an analysis. You can create calculated columns as well as measures in this view. You can create measures in a few other views, but this is a good place where you can see how your data exists in its tabular format. The next view down is the model view. The model view is where you can define relationships between your tables. By creating relationships, you can combine data from different sources and create more complex reports. This view will help you understand how your data is interconnected. Finally, we have a new view that's just now being introduced, and that's the DAX query view. The DAX query view allows you to write queries in DAX to pull data out of your Power BI model and return the results into a visual results pane down below. This will be useful later on as we learn about building measures. Now, let's go back to the report view and look at some of the panes that we have available to us. First, we have the data pane, which if we loaded data into our report, will display all of the fields available for us to use to build reports with. Next, we have the build pane. The build pane shows all of the visuals available for us to add to our report. Finally, we have the format pane, which allows us to customize the report by changing visual settings. And then below that, we have the selection pane, which allows us to change the order and the layering of which visuals are displayed on the Power BI dashboard. Very similar to how images can be on top of each other or behind each other in a PowerPoint. If we go over here, we also have the filters pane. On this filters pane, you can apply filters on a visual, if there's a visual added that you have selected, on the page, or at the report level. This has been a really quick overview of what the Power BI user interface looks like. In following videos, we'll go and we'll do a deep dive into each one of the various views and what else they can be used for. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we're dropping new tutorials in this series daily.